Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can hide Aura component button using visibility filters in Lightning App Builder without writing a single line of code. In today, we are discussing about what is component visibility and when we actually use this, what are the steps to do that. So first we need to understand what is the component visibility. In Salesforce, Lightning component visibility allows you to control who can see the component based on the conditions like profiles, record fields, device type. So instead of coding, you can directly control visibility from user interface. So how we can do that? First, we need one requirement for do that. So currently I have one object like receipt. So in this receipt, I will open any one of the record. So in this record, I have some button like edit, delete, new receipt. In this, edit, delete are the standard buttons. New receipt is the custom button. Means it's fully built by Aura component bundle. So I need to hide this button to the finance user. Means finance user not able to create new receipt. Only finance head can create like that. So how to do that? First we need to click on gear icon, go to edit page. Once you click on edit page, it will go to Lightning App Builder. In here, we need to click on button tab. Okay. So now I need to add the filter for these buttons. How to add? Currently, I need to add this new receipt button from finance user. So just click on that new receipt button. Click on add filter. So before applying filter, I need to show currently how it's visible to that particular user. Now I log in as finance user. You can see if I open receipt object, I can see the new receipt button. So I need to hide this button from this user. So this is my requirement. So again go back to admin. Now I will add that particular filter. Click on advanced. Click on select. In here you need to search like user. Next profile. Then name. Click on that. Then click on done. Our operator name is operator is not equal to means user profile name not equal to what is our profile name? Our profile name is finance. I just enter the profile name in here. So then click on done. When profile name is not equal to finance, in that time only this particular new receipt button is visible. So if profile name equal to finance, that receipt button is hide. So this is how this filter works. Click on done. Click on save. So once you save, again go back to your receipt object. Now I need to log in as that finance user, then verify it's working or not. Now currently I have a new receipt button. I just refresh once. Now you can see I don't have a new receipt button. In other record also it's not visible. So this is how the filter works. You can also add multiple filters, use and or conditions for advanced control also. For this, we have some limitations like it will work only in UI level, does not restrict the backend access, not suitable for complex logic. I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.